We're gonna eat something that we know we like.
This is...
Oh, okay.
We're gonna eat powdered sugared mini donuts from Walmart. I don't know if they were made in America, but...
I've had Kroger before. Doobie-doo?
I think so.
Doobie-doo. Ooh, squishy.
Smells like sugar.
Hmm.
And fattening.
We've had this before. Nummies. Coke addict.
Mmm. Melts in your mouth and it's cool.
Mmm.
And
American
tasty.
food.
Nummy. Yeah, American.
Not sponge.
Yeah, they do sugar right. All in one!
Brave.
No, I can't breathe.
You know what? Gross, you spit it out. Ew, you're slimy. It's like... Why you did that? Why you... Oh yeah, I wanted to try that cinnamon thing, but anyway.
It got stuck. It got stuck to the roof of my mouth, and I couldn't get it down so I could chew it.
He didn't even spit out sponge.
Yeah. Anyway, supposedly cinnamony.
We have to do that.
Spoonful. I don't have any cinnamon.
You don't have any cinnamon?
A spoonful of cinnamon. You can't swallow it. It dries up your mouth instantly. So you have to like spit it out or something.
I have to go get the crap out of my house.
Pay for eating a donut.
So you can't swallow it.
Caroline's eating a powdered donut, but this is in no way sexual.
Huh?
Just eat it.
Hey!
I love it. Squishy.
Uh-huh.
Eat the whole thing. So I guess.
She liked it.
You want to... do it. Yeah.
Whatever.
Does that help it get down?
Jumping? It helps with the gravity.
Oh.
Is that your dance?
It's taking a long time.
Hey man, I'm a slow eater.
See, that's why I got stuck
Yeah.
on
I didn't have to spit it out.
Whatever, it got stuck. And then you guys were making me laugh, so I couldn't eat it.
Laughing on your own. We didn't even know what was going on. We thought you died. Ew.
I know, that's what I didn't want to do, but I ate it. I didn't have to spit it out. I didn't drool.
And it was yummy?
It was very yummy.
You'd eat it again?
I would totally eat it again, but not right now.
Good, because we have a lot of them, and that was enough for me.
I mean, I'd eat a whole thing, but not right now.
You didn't even make it through one.
I had a box of them the other day.
We weren't taking.